loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and you want to know something? I've literally been wearing the same wig since November. All the wigs that I have, all the wigs that I reviewed. This is like my plop on wig, and you guys can see I wear it on Thanksgiving, I wear it on Christmas, I wear it out of town. I've literally worn this wig everywhere, and it's literally time to retire her. But today I kind of want to switch it up and go curly. So a company by the name of Lush Wig did reach out and decide to send me a new wig. They did send me a curly lace wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and install her for you guys. Now what's cool about this wig, this is a fake scalp wig, so honestly I won't have to do much prep. You guys can see it's a little bit thinner right here because I did pre-pluck her, and this is a look at what the curly texture looks like. All the stats and details on this wig, including a link to her, is listed in the description box. And as you guys can see, it's a fake scalp closure wig. This here, the one that I've been wearing, is a closure wig. Now, honestly, I love a good frontal for an install, but when it comes to day-to-day, just being able to wake up, get dressed, do something with my hair really quickly, and not necessarily having to bond anything down, this is ideal for me on a day-to-day. Like, I love to think that I'm a frontal girl, but gluing and bonding things down often, and you guys can hear my kids and my husband playing Black Ops, but having something that's super easy to install and maintain is key for me. Even better, they did include the adjustable straps. This one is like the bra strap type of adjustable strap, where it kind of has like that bra strap, you know, 3-section, 3 rows type of hooks, and I usually will hook it to the tightest it can go. I'm gonna go ahead and plop her on my head, and we're gonna go ahead and see how quickly we can install and style her with minimal product. I like to watch Facebook. Like, if you go to Facebook and like you just keep scrolling, and all these are like crime investigation things on Facebook. In the video section, if you ever wonder what I'm listening to while I'm filming or editing, that's usually what my background is, because YouTube videos don't be as popping anymore. But this is what the hairline looks like. As you guys can see, it's already plucked pretty decently. I'm not gonna go ahead and pluck it anymore. Maybe once it's installed I might decide after the fact, but I feel like this is good enough for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace and install. You guys know I love baby hair, so I'll probably add a little bit of baby hair. Baby hair to me looks so good with curly hair especially. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we've done the baby hair, don't love it. I'm gonna go ahead and mold it by adding an elastic band over top while we style the ends of the hair, and then we'll come back once it's completely dry and we'll redo it. So let's go ahead. We're gonna use a mousse, no water, just mousse to style these curls. And we also have to decide, do we want a side part or a center part? Usually with closure wigs, a center part works best because literally the tracks start right here. So if I do a side part, it would have to be like right here. So that's enough space to, you know, make something shake, but I think a center part would be better. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna go ahead and style the hair with literally just mousse. Minimal shedding after all that. There's just a few strands of hair, which isn't bad at all. Okay, I went ahead and posted me a picture to the gram. I'm going to be posting more often on there, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Oh, look at my girls. That's me, Ashley Bedeck, so follow me there. But this one came from Lush Wig, as I mentioned before, and I think I already showed you their packaging. They did include my brown wig caps, which you guys know are a must for me. And they actually gave me two combs. So they gave me a rat tail style comb and also like a regular like hair comb, smaller than a shower comb. Ooh, and then they gave me these beautiful lashes. They're huge, long, but I like how wispy they are. So I'll definitely be trying those out. Of course, the wig is linked in the description box if I did not mention before. I tried to switch it up with the baby hair and kind of do a little something different. I want to start, you know, giving you guys a little bit of variety. Also, you guys know I love to do concealer in the parting, but today I actually did powder and I used the Maybelline. And yeah, the hair itself, I like the fact that it took to my mousse really well and it did not shed too much. I kind of feel like with a lot of wigs, especially curly hair, when you kind of run your fingers through it, you'll get like clumps and clumps of hair all tangled up in your fingers. And with this one, I did not have that issue. I don't know if I'm feeling the baby hair because it's a little bit dramatic for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and flow with it for now. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Of course, you guys can hear the family back super loud in there. That's why I like to kind of speed it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm feeling this one. I'm so happy I finally have a new go-to everyday wig. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Again, she came from Lush Wig. Also, I have a couple of other videos with this company, so make sure you check those out as well. Everything is linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.